What's up, everybody? This is your boy Tech G back with another video to help you successfully pass the CompTIA A+ 220-1102 certification exams. So let's get into it. In this video, you're going to learn about troubleshooting common personal computer security issues. So this video is going to help you deal with PC security issues, including common symptoms of malware infections and software tools to battle the malware. Now, special attention is given to network connectivity because that is among the most common problems IT technicians deal with. So let's talk about these symptoms. So trying to cover every PC security issue you might encounter in the field is a fool's errand. Instead, this video covers the most common PC related security issues that might appear on the A+ exam. So pay special attention to the network access. Now, before you do anything, you want to check the connectivity on other devices on the network. If none of the devices can't connect, then you want to take these measures. In Windows 10, a red X icon will appear on the taskbar next to the network icon when connectivity issues arise. Sometimes the failure is not the network. The security settings might not allow access to the network. And the first step is to check connectivity on other devices on the network. If only one device is affected, disconnect that device from its wireless network and then reconnect it. For a wired network, just simply restart the computer. Now, other troubleshooting tasks related to the network are as follows. You want to verify the name of the assigned or desired network. A hotspot might be down, causing problems authenticating to another access point. In Windows 10, you want to click the network icon in the taskbar to open up the network status window. A troubleshoot button appears if you are not connected. And for connection problems with any operating system, you can turn off the broadband modem or access device, wait about a minute, and then turn the modem or device back on. Then turn off the router, wait about a minute, and then turn the router on again. If the problem was with the broadband modem or access device, that should solve the problem. If this does not solve the problem, you need to contact the ISP because the problem might be with the ISP's network. Now, the following information is going to describe other security issues that can arise and suggest approaches for repairing them. So be sure that you are familiar with these symptoms for your A+ 220-1102 exam. First one we have is no access to the network. So internet connectivity problems that do not affect all computers and devices on the network could be caused by malware. So you want to run troubleshooters to repair the program. If the problem continues to occur, then go ahead and scan the systems. Next symptom is desktop alerts. So notifications and quick action center. This is access on the taskbar next to the time and date. And the notifications, they can be edited by going to the settings, systems, notifications, and action center. And the options include connectivity, VPN, network, and settings notifications. You'll also see operating system updates, which could be found up in there. But you want to regularly check the notifications and quick action center for potential issues when desktop alerts pop up. Next, you got false alerts regarding antivirus protection. So security alerts from Windows Defender or from the operating system might indicate malware infections. Alerts might pop up without any notification in Defender or the Action Center. And this could prompt attempts to infect your system by tricking you into clicking a phishing link as a pop-up. So you want to go ahead and scan the system. Also, rogue antivirus programs, they can look like legit antivirus programs, but they are actually designed to infect systems or phish users for personal info. So you want to uninstall these programs and then scan the computer. Next, we got alerted system or personal files. So malware infections, they might rename system files that can block malware, such as the msconfig, the regedit, and the task manager. So files, if they are corrupted, infected with malware, unknowingly hidden, or automatically moved by a program without user acknowledgement, that means files, they might go missing or they might be renamed on storage devices. And files that have not disappeared, been moved, or hidden, they can often be recovered with the undeletion software that scans hard drives for files no longer recorded in the file allocation table. And also undeleted malware infected files, they can reinfect the system if they are not properly cleaned before they're used. You got unwanted notifications within the operating system, and you can manage manage this in the notifications in Windows 10 by going to Settings, Systems, Notifications, and Actions. And then from there, you can customize the notifications and alerts from Windows and from individual applications that are installed. You have operating system update failures. This is a common reason the operating system updates fail is because of lack of disk space. So you want to make sure you have ample disk space because some updates can be quite large. So you want to make sure automatic updates are not blocked by antivirus protection settings. And then next we have browser related symptoms. So often the performance of the preferred browser, this can indicate problems with malware infections or fraudulent apps that are on the device. So this information is going to discuss issues and their possible causes as it relates to browser related symptoms. So the first one you want to be concerned with is random or frequent pop-ups. So if pop-up blocking is enabled, but pop-ups are still showing up, that means your system might be infected with malware. If many pop-ups are displayed on screen rapidly and they keep showing up as they are closed, then the system is infected and it needs to be scanned immediately. You might have certificate warnings. So operating systems and browsers that use digital certificates to determine valid sources of applications and drivers. Certificates that are obtained fraudulently from a certificate authority, they are used to launch malware attacks. And then you have browser redirection, which is also known as browser hijacking. And this happens when the homepage setting for your browser is changed without your permission. And some free apps, they can't offer to change your browser homepage during installation, but they will present you an option to where you can opt in or opt out of the change. But if the app changes your browser's homepage without notifying you, then this could be malware. So you need to go ahead and scan the system. All right. So that was my video where we talked about troubleshooting common personal computer security issues.